Hello and welcome. In the last video we did something about the select and now we want to speak about order by. So what is order by useful? Yes, we want to order our output. You can order ascending or descending, so this could be numbers or text, and we take here some examples so that you know what it is useful. I already wrote some code here, so we are again in our brands table. We want just to select our brand name. We could also use here the country, so we write a comma in country. From, so which is the table, from our brands table. And now it comes to order by. So when we want to order by, we just write actually the column name in the simplest way. So we could say here brand name. And then when we just use this, we have an ASC, an ascending order. When we want to have a descending order, we write a DSC. So just we take now the brand name. We just keep the limit now to 10. And let's have a look. So our result should be now that we see the column brand name and the country from our brands table, and it is ordered by the brand name. Let's see what happens. Okay, so on the right side we see brand name, and it starts with AAAA, BBBB, C, and so on. And now when we keep the limit out of the way, so we want to see now all entries, then we have here all actually sorted from A to, let's see, to V. Okay, let's take another example. This time we don't want to use the brand name, we want to use the country. Let's do this. Also again an ascending order, so it starts with Canada, so it starts from A to Z again, so Canada, France, Germany, and so on. And what we now could also do, so what we now could also do is ASC, so an ascending order on the countries, but our brand names, so you could actually do both, and it is separated by a comma, brand name DSC. Let's see what this brings us. So this is now a double. This means we choose two columns and we sorted them. So for instance here, first we do the country and then we do the brand names. So here they are P and L and so on, and it goes down to A. Okay, good. One thing is, for instance, that you can use something like numbers. So we could also do brand name and country. That's the one, that's the two. So let's look if it's working. So we say 1 and 2. Is this working? Let's see. Yes, that's working. No, it's not. So order by 1, the brand name. No, it is working, sorry. So order by the brand name, ASC, so AAA, so all are sorted. And then you have here the countries. So actually, this doesn't make so much sense. That's why I was a little bit confused. So this you could also use. Let's check the other table. So we have also a sales table. A sales table would be also good to make some examples. So let's go to our sales table. We want to see the transaction date. And we want to see the amount. And we want to order by transaction date, DSC. So we want to see the last transaction date at first. Let's see what's coming. There we go. So the last transaction dates, and the amounts. And we could also use the amounts, run it, and there we go. So the highest amount which we ever sold something, this is here a fantasy database, was on the 28th of October 2023 with 2,500. When you have now a limit inside, so limit free, so we want to see our top ones, then you can use something like this, set the limit to free. Let's see, our top results are the 9th of November, the 3rd of November, and the 28th, as we already told. And down we do now the ASC, which we don't have to write. Remember this, we could also leave it here blank. And then we will see, oh, here, there we go. The lowest amounts were shown. Okay, I hope you learned something. In the next one, we want to go to another one of the codings. So please stay with us. Please like the video and subscribe. And I see you in the next one. Thanks.